Hey guys, my name is Faye, and today I have Addie here, and I just wanted to show you this iGroom dog grooming comb. This is a fantastic comb. You know, sometimes your dog's coat can look good, but it can still be hiding mats, tangles, unhealthy skin, so you really need to make sure that you're using a really high quality dog grooming comb on your dog. This one is great. It's got rounded teeth, so it's not going to irritate your dog's skin. It's like a little massage. It actually can stimulate the hair follicles. It can stimulate the skin. So it creates a healthier coat in general just by using a grooming tool like this on your dog. Because a well-groomed dog is a happy, healthy dog. Another plus with this company is you get 3 free bonuses if you order right now. They also have a 100% money-back guarantee. If for any reason you're not satisfied, you can just return it to them and they will refund your money. It comes with a carrying case. You get tips on how to groom your dog, and there's an ebook that comes with it so that you can, make sure that you're doing everything right when you're grooming your dog. So check this one out. Again, this is called the iGroom Steel Grooming Comb. Thanks, guys.